Hey, what is going on everybody? Welcome to JavaScript. In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to get started working with JavaScript as a beginner. So why don't you go ahead and sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. JavaScript is a programming language used to create dynamic and interactive web pages. JavaScript runs a web browser such as Google Chrome, Safari, wherever you use the browser, the internet basically. By using JavaScript, we can respond to user action and transform user input whenever somebody interacts with our site. In this example, I have a calculator written with HTML. It is not very pretty, and it doesn't function. We have the framework that we need at least. By applying CSS, we can add color and style to this calculator. But unfortunately, it still doesn't function. Let's see 89653. It doesn't function. By including JavaScript, we can apply our functions code to this calculator. Let's check. 7 plus 8 equals 15. It means it's working. This calculator can perform actions and as well useful. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to get started working with JavaScript. I would recommend knowing HTML, CSS before starting JavaScript. Before we begin, you will need a text editor that I recommended. Is Sublime Text. Okay, welcome again. HTML file, which I rename already, index.html. So all together, we have structure, style, and action. So rearrange these tabs however you like. So to generate the necessary text to create a web page in your HTML, in Sublime Editor, just type HTML. So you can open this body for your code. So here I can change the title of your web page. If you want, I'll change my title to be website. That's all we'll need for now. Now you'll need to link the style sheet to the HTML file now. We're going to create a link between HTML and CSS. We're going to write link here. Now we have the style attribute and ahref attribute. Between these two double quotation, we can write the location of CSS. We are going to write the CSS name here, style.css is my file name. How to know that my HTML and CSS are linked? Click right and come view page source. Here we have the link. Now our CSS style sheet is linked to our HTML file. Now we need to link the JavaScript file to our HTML file. We can do that by pairing a script tag. We can write script. We will set the source attribute to be the name of our JavaScript file. You can write here src. Write JavaScript name. My JavaScript name is javascript.js. Save and refresh. Alright, everything should now be linked together. With our HTML file, we can add elements such as hi element. These are typically used as headers. I'm going to say hello, then save and refresh. Another we have p. P are typically used for paragraph. A text in a subline to generate a random paragraph of a text. You can type lorem, then hit tab. Now we have a random paragraph. To change the style of our web page, we can go to our style sheet to change the style of our body. We will select body. We can change the background color red. Save. And make sure you save them and refresh. We have the background color red and page tags. So let's change this red color to, my favorite color is #333. This is my favorite color. I'll change the font family to something else. My favorite font family is Verdana. This is my favorite font family. Let's increase the font size. You can set the font size property to be either pixel or em. I'm going to tell you what is the difference between px or em. Here is the difference between px and em. So let's add the font size 20px. Save and refresh. This is to bake. But what about em? Let's use em. Em is to bigger. Okay? What is em? 2em means 200%. 3em is 300%. That's a little too big. Let's stick with a 2em. I think 2em is very bigger. I think let's stick with a 25 pixel. Save and refresh. Good. Alright, and that is everything we need to get started working with JavaScript. We will cover more information in the next video.